Okay, this is for people who might need to visually see something. You actually need some pictures or images to help you do this. And other people are able to understand better with numbers, or they just have a routine or an algorithm sometimes that they prefer to use. So in this particular case, I have 3 8s plus 2 8s. Same denominator, so I can just go straight across. 8 is the denominator. Because the denominators are the same, 3 plus 2 equals 5. And that's my answer. Easy, really, isn't it? So it's a bit like if I have 3 8s, 2, 3. Add 2 more. So in this case, you can see 4 8s is a half. There's a little bit more now. 5 8s. Easy, just go straight across. However, if we change this, and we add different denominators, then this becomes a problem. Plus, or maybe a quarter. And 3 8s, it's not quite a half. A quarter is certainly not a half. So we know both of these fractions are less than a half, which means it will not be enough to make one whole. It's going to be some bits. So in this case, what we have to do, I'm looking for, can 4 fit into 8? Is there like a relationship between them? And 4 can fit into 8 2 times. So what I'm now going to do, I want these denominators to be the same. So I could do 8 divided by 4 is 2, or I could think of 4 times something will equal 8, which is 2. So 4 times 2 equals 8. And so what I do to the bottom, I do to the top. So 1 times 2 is 2. So now I can rewrite this as 3 8s plus 2 8s and in this case I have the same denominator. That becomes 8. And now I can just go straight across. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Because you know 1 quarter is equivalent to 2 8s. So that was the same answer as we had before. Easy. So once you get the hang of it, you probably can do these in your head. If it happened to be, let's change this again. And let's make it Let's make it 3. Oh, it's gone. Let's make it 3 quarters. 3 quarters, it's bigger than a half. And 3 8s is close to a half, so I would say this might be greater than 1 whole. However, we can still figure this one out. We can do it. We can use red this time. Can 4 fit into 8? Yes, it can. We know this. But 2 times, I'm going to times the denominator by 2, because 2 times 4 equals 8, it will be the same. So what I do at the bottom, I do at the top. So this is now, we're going to say 6 8s. So I'm going to take this one, 3 8s plus 6 8s. I've got the same denominator, roll it over, 8. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 9 8s. Now this is known as an improper fraction because the numerator is greater or bigger or larger than the denominator. So I basically have, my pizza box can hold 8 slices but I've got 9. So I'm going to have 1 whole pizza, 1. And then I can do, because 8 slices make up 1 whole, so now I do 9, take away 8, would leave 1. So I have 1 whole pizza and 1 slice left over, 1, 8. And if I wanted to turn it back into a improper fraction, so this one here is known as a mixed number, which is the same as this improper fraction. To turn it back, the denominator is 8. I multiply the denominator by the whole, so 8 times 1 is 8. And I plus the numerator, which is 1. So 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 will give me 9. So that's where you get your improper fractions and your mixed numbers, they work together. That's how you do it.